One palace, 1,000,000 doors. Countless windows in between. From wherever I look, the beloved is before me. In 2009, two seekers crossed an invisible line into an oral tradition held captive by political hostilities. This book is the map of that thirst. The journey of Sasui is a transformation through fire. She proclaims, "I invite death as escort and cross over." Shah Latif's radical manifesto of love is finally home. Published by the Endowment Fund Trust, this edition restores the original Sindhi verses. The oasis you seek is in your heart. Watch the full review on our channel. Link in the description below.